Decision of criminal court on the basis of compromise or an acquittal cannot be treated that the candidate possesses good character and which may make him eligible because the criminal proceedings are with the view to find culpability of commission of offence, whereas appointment to the civil post is in view of his suitability to post. The test for each of them is based upon different parameters and therefore acquittal in a criminal case is not a certificate of good conduct to a candidate. Mere acquittal in a criminal case would not be sufficient to enter that candidate possesses good character. The expectations from a judicial officer are of much higher standard. There cannot be any compromise in respect of rectitude, honesty and integrity of a candidate who seeks appointment as civil judge. The personal conduct of a candidate to be appointed as judicial officer has to be free from any taint. The standard of conduct in the case of judicial officer is higher than that expected of an ordinary citizen and also higher than that expected of a professional in law as well. The same must be in tune with the highest standard of propriety and probity. Larger bench of 3 judges bench of apex court has specifically held that it is obligatory on the part of employer to consider background facts of case, nature of offense and whether acquittal in a criminal case would affect fitness for employment. In the present case, it has been mentioned in the order that the offense punishable under section 506B of IPC is a grievous offense and conviction of 7 years could be imposed, and because the petitioner was acquitted on basis of compromise, he is not eligible to be appointed to the post of civil judge class 2nd. There is no consideration about facts of case and the incident had taken place between two groups of students. There was no plan and thereafter matter was compromised. It is a common knowledge that at the time of registration of a case, the complainant intends to mention grievous nature of offense. It is very easy to mention that person therein threatened to kill, but that has to be considered while taking into consideration the facts of case. During student life, there is possibility of quarrel between two groups of students. On that basis, the person cannot be held a person of not having good character. If a criminal case is registered and which has resulted in compromise, in our opinion, it cannot be held that a person is not having good character when character certificate has been issued by principal after judging total academic career. Hence, in our opinion, order of denial of petitioner for appointment to the post of civil judge class second is contrary to law on the basis of singular incident which has resulted in compromise. Criminal case registered against petitioner had resulted in his acquittal on the basis of compromise. Therefore, direction is issued to appoint the petitioner as civil judge class second. Stop.